गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Teachers are like compass. It activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom. A wonderful morning to my adults over here. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Headmaster Sir, all respected teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. This is Lippy Krishna Sir of Class 9 present over here to speak something on our beloved teachers, to show how teaching is more important than other professions and how teachers shows the real value of life inside the four walls of the classroom. Dear friends, today we have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day in the pursuit to honor our teachers for their everyday guidance to help us succeed in our path. As it is said, teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillar upon which aspirations are converted into realities. Teachers are a blessing disguised who helps us in building our character and shaping our personalities. They form those crucial stepping stones that ultimately guide us to the path of success and happiness. They inspire us to bring the best in ourselves and serve the country. Without teacher, there is no lawyer, no doctor, no scientist, no astronaut, and no IAS officer. They support and guide us selflessly. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year to acknowledge and highlight the contribution of teachers and the teaching profession in India. It marks the birth anniversary of one of the finest teachers and philosophers of the nation, late Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962 and the second President of India from 1962 to 1967. Besides this, he also got India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1954. According to him, teachers must be the best minds in the nation. So always respect and obey your teachers in each and every part of your life. Teachers' Day is one of the occasions celebrated with great enthusiasm. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan requested his students to rather celebrate his birthday, they must celebrate that day as Teachers' Day. So since 1962, the day is commemorated as Teachers' Day. As it is said, life is the greatest teacher of all. It teaches us the art of survival. Teachers are not just our academic teachers. In fact, they are our second parents who teaches us how to eat, walk, speak and everything. They taught us how to fight once again when we fall. Teacher means Guru, the representative of the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar. Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver and Maheshwar, the destroyer. They are also Debashi Narad, Brahmarshi Vishyamitra, Vasishtha and Valmiki. They are Rajarshi Kripacharya, Dronacharya. They are Chanakya of Chandragupta. They are Radhakrishnan, Abdul Kalam. Teachers not only educate us from books. In fact, they instill in us the values, discipline and confidence. They are like those candles who burn themselves to give us light. At last, I would like to salute and extend my heartiest gratitude towards our teachers community for always being a guiding light and providing support throughout our paths wherever and whenever needed. Today, on behalf of every student, I would like to thank each teacher who helped us, motivated us and pushed us beyond our limits to get success directly or indirectly in shaping our lives. As it is said, a rock may be blasted through dynamite, but it is too difficult to diffuse the relationship between a teacher and a student, like Guru Dronacharya, Arjuna and Ekalavya. As once the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, teaching is a very noble profession that saves the character, caliber and future of an individual. If people will remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. On this special occasion, dear friends, let us express our gratitude towards our teachers for the hard work and dedication. I know, as I had said previously, a simple thank you would not be enough. So let's promise ourselves to be good students, work hard and make them proud. So thank you once again to all our teachers for always encouraging us to do better in every step and reach greater heights. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to all.